I'm Simon Rogers. I've been in the derivatives and capital markets for over 35 years, working mainly for European and US top-tier investment banks. What I'm going to show you on this course is how to identify and manage currency risk, foreign exchange risk, FX risk, call it what you like. Now I can show you products until the cows come home and show you a load of formulae, but you need to see the context in which we're going to apply the particular solutions. So whether you're looking at a corporate institution with operating cycles or a financial institution, you need to see the application of the products. That's what we're going to look at here. I'm going to take you through various modules. We will look at spot FX, we will look at forward FX, where do the numbers come from, what do we mean when we talk about forward points, and what do we mean by an FX swap? Why would you want to buy or sell or buy a currency? What's actually going on in the market? Now this course is great whether you're a banker already and you want to refresh your knowledge, whether you're a finance student, whether you're an accountant, a risk manager, taking an MBA. There are a variety of areas and people who would benefit from a course like this. Now along the way we'll have various exercises to keep everybody completely involved, and you'll find that the modules tend to be short and sharp, so 2 to 4 minutes, but relevant to a very specific topic. So come on in, take a look at the course, and what I'm going to do is show you some of the jargon and show you what the business schools don't actually tell you, because what the book says isn't always how the markets actually run. If you want to know how to manage currency risk, this is going to show you the exact tools you need to know so you'll know how to manage each situation and identify the risk that's involved. If you want to be a trader, it's easy. Just buy low, sell high as often as you can. Just remember, eat, sleep, trade, repeat. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.